Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to install pillar post covers. So what these are covers that adhere to the door frames of your car to protect the door frames from the elements, or if your car's already been exposed to the elements where they're showing signs of weathering, as you can see here. You can basically address that by covering it with these adhesive covers. So what we've got here is a pre-cut sheet of very thin plastic with a 3M backing, and then there's a clear plastic coating which you remove once you stick it onto the door frame. So you can see here I've already done the front passenger door, and I will show you how I do the rear passenger door. Two things before we get started: just ensure you've cleaned down the door frames. I just use some glass cleaner and a microfiber cloth. And if you've got weather shields, as you can see here, you can either lift the weather shield and reseat them after you've fitted the pillar post cover, or in my case I'm going to make a cut into the cover and then basically work around the weather shield. The adhesive on these genuine Kia weather shields is very strong, so I just don't want to kind of try and lift it and compromise it. But if you have aftermarket ones, as my wife's car does, which I actually prefer the look of more because they're pretty much tinted completely black, so it looks quite good with the contrast against the white paint. The adhesive on these isn't as strong, so you could probably have a go at lifting these and reseating them without kind of leaving too much glue behind, I suppose. That's the only issue. Anyway, I'll leave that up to you. And if you don't have weather shields, then ignore all of this because it doesn't apply. You can just basically stick these straight on because they're pre-cut. All right, let's get started. Okay, so because I'm working around a weather shield, I just need to make a cut. So just to mark that out, so I've just slid the cover into the door frame, just down to the point where it meets the door seal here, the door sill seal, and I just mark it just above because I want to kind of jam it up so that you can't actually see the cut. And I've already done the other side, so I kind of know how much I need to cut, but it'll just be a matter of just finessing it until you get it to where you want it to be so that the actual cover sits flat. Just make a careful cut, just make sure you're cutting on the right side. Doesn't have to be perfect, I suppose, because unless someone's going to be kind of looking up, they're not going to see if you didn't quite get it right. And I know because you've also got the seal attaching to the top of the door frame, I'm going to have to take some off the top. Okay, and I'll just peel this from the top. Stick it on. So you do have multiple chances to get this right. It's not so strong that once it's stuck on you can't remove it, but ideally you don't want to do that too many times. And then just peel the plastic protector off. Okay, job done. So yeah, we've addressed the weather door frames, but also lifted the visual appeal of the car and made it look a little bit more expensive for not much money. So I'll just zoom in and give you a closer look, and then I'll close the video. Alrighty, so there we go. Any questions or comments, leave them below and I'll get back to you. And as always, thanks for watching. Cheers.